Hello. Welcome to my 2021 room setup tour. This is gonna be my last video from this room, this apartment complex ever, which is pretty sad, you know. I made a lot of good memories and stuff. This is where I started my YouTube channel. But it is time for me to leave. I'll be moving to my grandma's basement this week. Into it, I'm gonna go ahead and switch the camera to this really fancy boy one because this should be done in high quality. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, starting it off in this corner right here. I don't really got anything too important other than these sick fans, but yeah, nothing really back there. I do have some interesting stuff on this side though, so yeah. I actually do spend a lot of time sitting right here in front of this here television, which is definitely not a safe viewing distance for sure, but this is probably one of my favorite pieces of technology right here. This bad boy is a Sony PVM professional video monitor. This one came from a hospital, but yeah, these are some of the best TVs from back in the day, alright? And I can say I got one of them. Some clothing items are hung up right here. These are all books that I have finished reading, so they go over here, and then the ones that I haven't finished reading, those ones go over there. But I will say, compliments to me, I think I made good use of the vertical space in this room. This room is really small. It's only like, they're not really small, but it's pretty small, and I do have a lot of stuff, so yeah. Oh, you know what is really cool though? I do have a laptop, bam, sitting right here, and it was turned off. I hooked it up to the television before I was using a Roku, but this thing is way more sick because I can download a bunch of stuff on it. And yep, there it is. It's got a mirror. Here's my boosted board, but it's not boosted, I made it. Custom 3D printed enclosure. Thanks Sebby for helping me with this. He's really good at this kind of stuff, and he definitely showed me how to do it. Oh, looks like it has battery in it still somehow. But yep, it goes vroom. I don't really use it because it's really heavy. Hey, we got Mika down here. Hey, what are you doing, Mika? Hey, what are you doing? She doesn't really care. Let's see, I got my backpack. It's the JanSport whip. This is what I usually use to read books on the go. I guess carrying physical books is kind of a chore. And then I use this thing to read manga on. You're supposed to use it to take notes, but like low key guys, I don't really like digital notes that much. So I mainly use this tablet. Oops, wrong button. I mainly use this tablet for like reading manga. I'm planning on making a video about it on like my second channel, but like for example, it's an Android tablet, so it's like really easy to put manga on. And like if you try to read manga on a screen this large, it's not very comfortable. But if you leave it on one this large, it's like pretty fantastic. This is definitely my favorite way to read manga. Here's my streaming computer. This is a 3770K custom computer. It's kind of scrapped together with parts from like 6 different computers, but it's held up pretty well. It has a 3770K, which I got from my university surplus store, put into a motherboard from an HP computer that I got from a computer recycler named Jay. He's really cool as subject. And then the RAM is also harvested from a random computer that I had. Oh, it has a 1060, so that's pretty new. Oh, okay, onto my desk. Up there, this is random stuff. I got mechanical keyboard parts and electronic parts and just, yeah, books I haven't read. Here's my desk. The desk itself is a desk I got for free. It's called a steel case tanker desk. But yep. Here's my view when I sit down to study and stuff. I got my cameras. Oh, I should probably mention those are A6000s, and they're hooked up to this bad boy. It's called a A10 Mini. But here, this makes it really easy for me to like switch between cameras. So that's me right there. But then I press the button, and then oh, that's also me. And yeah, before I had to use like a really jank setup to get it like that. But yeah, this simplified my life. And I usually just don't really love how this thing looks. I kind of put it right here like this. I just got a lamp up there. It's a Tizio lamp. Shout out to Richard Sapper. He's a really cool designer, but he's dead. Here are my pencils of choice. These are Rotring 600s. I'm sure if you've seen my other gear videos, you know about these pencils. My phone is a Unihertz Jelly 2. You know, I just barely got that new Nokia, but ever since I found out about this phone, I just have fallen in love, and now I don't ever want to use anything else. Yeah, this has definitely been my most favorite tech purchase these past few months for sure. Here's my vlogging camera. It's a Sony Duo Sony Bloggy Duo. It says Bloggy on it. And then you turn this bad boy on right here. And you press this. And then, hey, it's me. But yeah. I'm sure I could use more fancy cameras to vlog, but I just prefer something this simple. And it kinda, whenever I'm filming people, they just think I'm an idiot. So yeah. See, I got my flip clock right there. That's a Stream Deck. So, oh my goodness, nothing is working right now. But usually, you can use this bad boy to control the number that shows up on my stream. It basically just this so I can just do this and switch between these numbers, and that's really about it. But yeah, that just sits over there. I've been experimenting with the trackball a lot. It's pretty fun. I wish I had a scroll wheel, but mine doesn't. There are ones with scroll wheels, but I just haven't been able to get my hands on one. They're really rare. Oh, my laptop. This bad boy is a yeah, here are the specs for it. Let's see. It's a definitely super beefy computer. I ordered this. It's a custom one, so it took over a year for me to get it, and I finally got it, and it's been really great. It's called a ThinkPad X2100 from Boy Shui, XY Tech. Yeah, it's a custom, basically it's a custom motherboard from an enthusiast group in Shenzhen, and they put it into these old ThinkPad chassis. Oh, my keyboard. This is probably the fanciest thing I own. It's a Duck Blackbird with Duroc T1 switches, and yes, it is a joy to type on. CRT is a Dell P780, I think, and basically I just got a button right here that switches between my two computers. So I'll have this computer, I use this computer to study on, and then this is my streaming computer. I switch back and forth when I need to stream and when I need to study. Oh, and that's the computer it switches to. It's a 2010 Mac Pro. I got it for really cheap, and it's been pretty okay. It needs some more maintenance, but it's running like 2 Xeons and 20 gigs of RAM. But yeah. Got the Discord computer, Puma Boy. Got a writing stand right here, and I use this to like write on. It's just down here right now because I don't got any classes that I have to write in. in the moment because it is the summer, but look at the back of this thing. I do have a good amount of stickers back here, but hey, you know what I'm saying? If you do want to send me some stickers, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Is that it?